Welcome to Markets and Matchups, your weekly dose of finance and footy.
As always, we'll kick off with a wrap of the markets before diving into the NRL this week.
Don't forget to get your tips in for our BBC Footy Tipping Comp. We are announcing our second winner of our mini round as well.
Okay, into the markets. All three major indices posted strong gains to finish the week. Nasdaq led the rally with a 6.7% weekly gain, marking its best week of 2025. Tech giants like Nvidia and Alphabet contributed significantly to the surge. The S&P 500 notched its longest daily positive streak since January. Dow added 1.2% on Thursday, following a 7.5% decline on Monday. The main drivers over the last week's gains are the mixed signals from the Trump administration regarding US and China tariffs, which have kept investors cautious. Looking ahead for the week, we have upcoming reports from major tech companies, including Apple, Amazon, Meta, and Microsoft, all expecting to influence market sentiment. Locally, in Australia, over the past 5 trading days, we've experienced a notable rally driven by, again, more de-escalation in tariff wars and strong performances in key sectors. For the ASX 200, a notable day was an increase of 6.3% last Thursday, marking its largest single-day gain since March 2020. And the fourth biggest since 1980. Into commodities, gold prices declined by 1.8% as investor sentiment shifted amid easing trade tensions and a stronger US dollar. Copper prices fell by 0.4%, influenced by concerns over global economic growth and demand from key consumers like China. Silver prices remained steady at $33.48 per ounce. Iron ore also steady at $99.98 per ton.
Now jumping into this week's wins and losses. Did a game stand out for you, Chris?
Yes, a few games. Good start to the weekend was Broncos Bulldogs.
That was a good start for you. Did you tip the Broncos?
No, but it was a good game is what I mean.
Well, I was going for the Bulldogs, and obviously the Bulldogs lost, so it wasn't a good start for me.
Yeah, but it was a good game. I like to see I don't mind seeing the Bulldogs lose.
Oh, why?
Well, they're undefeated. You can't have a top dog for too long.
Yes, you can. I like it like that.
No.
Yeah. And what about Warriors? Top 4 position on the ladder.
Yeah. Yeah, it was always going to happen though. Mm-hmm. Especially now that you're not a supporter.
Now they're winning.
Now they're winning.
Perfect. Scarlet curse. And they beat Knights at home.
They beat the Knights.
Did you tip for them?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, tip them. They're playing really well. I'm excited about them. So, Penrith Manly. Mm-hmm. Did you watch the game?
I did, and I told you it'd be boring because they lost.
But boring because Penrith lost. Okay.
Yeah.
But they are now officially last on the ladder scale. Oh! They've gone from winning four Grand Slams in a row.
Yeah, I don't know how this has happened. I'm not sure it's because the team split up, or maybe it's because we're not at our normal Penrith
I don't know.
home ground.
It's not looking
with Blueback
good,
gone.
No.
It's not looking good. It's actually embarrassing. They're below Eels.
Yeah, below the Eels. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so you're an Eels supporter now.
I don't know who I'm going for at this point, honestly.
Fair enough.
Actually, after Tigers won on the weekend.
Oh, yeah,
that was a really good game. Maybe I'm back on Tigers. Yeah. Oh, maybe I've always been on Tigers.
But did you see the reffing over the weekend?
I heard some bits and pieces about it. Some things were fine, some things weren't fine.
And it's kind of, I don't know, it's almost ruining it. Like the Warriors had a couple, they had 1 or 2, and then there were like 18 cards over the weekend or something. Mad.
You know, I personally think that we should bring back when they used to fight.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's it called? Bring back the beef.
Yeah.
But yeah, I said last week, Warriors, Raiders, Bulldogs, Penrith to win. Remember I had my little
how many
moment?
did you get?
I got 2 from 4.
2 from 4.
So basically the
curse is over, you think?
It's null. Yeah. So I'm not, it wasn't proved, but it wasn't.
I hope so.
Yeah. So I don't know.
I hope so.
We'll see how it goes.
Okay, so what's your team right now? Who are you backing? Who are you supporting?
I'm always going to support Penrith. They're my team. Like, don't get it twisted. They're my team. But because they are playing so poorly, I'm just jumping here and there players I think that are good.
Okay. So
I like Tigers. I like Warriors. Because I want to support my friend with the Warriors.
Yeah.
So I'm Warriors. And I want to support my other friends with the Tigers.
You're a bandwagoner.
A little.
Pick a team outside of Penrith.
Bulldogs.
You're a bandwagoner.
But they lost, so it's fine for me to say
Top of the table.
Okay. You want me to pick a team to win this week?
No, a team that you're supporting.
Eels or Bulldogs?
Okay, Eels. You get Eels.
I get Eels. You get to pick for me? Okay, Eels.
Okay, players of the round.
Mhm.
Who were your standouts?
Standout players, Terrell May, Adam Dewey, Tigers. Adam Dewey obviously kicked, so that's why
Yeah,
I think he did good.
Yep.
Payne Haas from Broncos as well.
Yeah, he's mad.
Any that you have?
Payne Haas was a big one,
Mhm.
and Luke Metcalf actually played really well for Warriors.
Really?
Yeah, he
you
surprised
like
me.
him, don't you?
He's growing on me. Yeah.
We'll see how they go this week.
Okay, so we got Magic Round up in Brisbane this weekend.
Yep.
All the
Suncorp.
games up there. Exciting. What games are you looking forward to?
Panthers, Broncos, but only because Broncos, I'm pretty sure it's their home stadium.
Yeah, okay.
I want to see how they go. I'm sure, I don't know.
You got to back your team.
I got to back your team, but I
Yeah.
think that would just be a good game because of the support from the crowd.
Yeah, it's
as
hard
well.
to bet against Panthers too.
Mm.
As bad as they're doing.
You know that they're a good team and they have potential, so you're like, what's going on?
Yeah.
No one is questioning them losing because of they're a bad team. You like they're
Well,
not bad.
at-
They've proven
well-
that they can be good.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's happening. Don't know.
Sharks, Eels.
Sharks, Eels.
I reckon that'll
Sharks,
be a good
Eels.
game. Good
yeah,
start
yeah,
to the
yeah.
weekend.
I think so too.
Who do you reckon will win?
There'll be a few upsets here this weekend, I think.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not going to put a team out there for that one.
Oh, you're not.
Nah, I don't know.
We'll have to see who you tip then.
Yeah.
I
First,
reckon
first thoughts, I'm
Eels.
thinking Sharks. Oh, there you
Oh,
Mm.
Well, you're always going against me for no reason.
go. And Storm Raiders, I think, will be the pick of the
Oh.
round.
Okay, who do you reckon will win? Or are you gonna hold that close?
I'll
to
go
chest?
Storm. I think.
But Raiders
I
just
might
won.
change it, mid-weekend, but we'll see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Warriors, Cowboys.
Yeah, of course.
Cowboys, Queensland team. Your
No,
team.
I'm backing Warriors, of course.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
they're going strong.
Yeah, for sure. That'll be a good game. Now jumping into our BBC footy tipping comp, we're announcing our mini comp prize.
Yep, a voucher every 4 weeks.
Yep, 4 weeks. And coming first this week was Red Gilly. Congratulations. We will be in touch. He actually picked Warriors to win and Penrith, so
Oh.
he's on our
Oh,
side.
he knows his stuff.
Yeah, not Penrith.
Oh, not Penrith.
But
No.
he's a supporter, so it's fine.
Yes.
Yes.
Love it.
Congrats, Red Gilly. Don't forget to get your tips in for next week's round of footy.
Okay, thanks everyone for tuning in for this week's markets and matchups.
Don't forget to get your tips in for our BBC footy tipping comp. Hopefully you're tipping for Panthers
And Warriors.
and Warriors.